quite a tremendous journey. This is a beautiful scenery outside. I don't know whether you can see it. The area is full of tea everywhere. Very long acreage of land full of tea. So people who want to invest in tea processing, still you have somewhere to start from when you come this side of Uganda. So take your time, come around, visit Uganda. These areas you can venture in. This is one of them that I'll show you guys. The area is really full of tea everywhere. Everywhere. Everywhere, full of tea. It's quite a long journey, and driving alone, my guys, it's not easy. Nevertheless, as we head front, I'm going to meet one of my workmates. Yeah, she's waiting for me a little bit a distance from here. So when we get up, we'll catch up from there. At least the journey will be somehow 50-50. You can't go quiet and you have time to talk to someone or things like that. Yeah.